Good morning, everyone. Let's start the
Good
class.
morning, ma'am.
Moksh, Shia, turn on your camera. Araf Apani, turn on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Moksh and Hiya, after the school reopen, you both have missed the two classes. Please pay attention in the class now. Sit
Ma'am, I
properly
want
and turn
to
on your
say,
camera. Yes, Hiya. What happened?
ma'am,
Vedi, turn on your camera.
when the school was started, that time I was in train.
Okay. But you are aware, no, that the school are going to open, so you should plan accordingly, bacha. The schools have already opened on 15. Two classes you have missed. Okay, let's start the class. Turn on your camera, everyone. It's 11:01. Please, I request to the students, those who are joining now, please join on time. Okay, so we are going to start the new chapter as we have already ended the chapter number 10, play with patterns with the CET. Now, our next is chapter number 11, tables and shares. What do you understand by this word tables and shares? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Yes, in this we are going to learn only multiplication, Dhwani. Then
We learned multiplication and division.
we have to learn multiplication and division in this chapter, right? So before starting the actual multiplication, I want to give you one story which is given in your textbook, Shama's garden. Shama was having some plants and some small flowers in her garden. Shama has planted sunflower, rose, marigold plants in her garden, and she has planted them in three flower beds. Her garden looked like this, right? See how I planted 18 plants in flower bed. She has planted 18 flowers in such a way. There are different ways to plant the 18 flowers. See, there are different ways. When you look into your textbook, there are different ways to plant the 18 flowers. First, what he did, he planted all the 18 flowers in one row. The This is sleeping are called rows. So you can see in the first picture, all the 18 flowers are planted in the first row. Can you see all this? Then she had an idea to cover some space, and what she did, please Dhwani, look here in the class. And my board is clearly visible to you all
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
because I am not able to see all the students. So my board is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In case if the
Yes,
board is
ma'am.
not visible to you all, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So now, first idea was to plant all the 18 flowers in the one row. Then the second idea is to plant the 18 flowers in three rows. And if they are taking three rows and three columns, so you know columns are standing and rows are sleeping. So rows are six rows, right? One, two, three, four. This way she has taken six rows and three columns. So this is another way of planting the 18 flowers. And then what she did is she was having a lengthwise she was having a much space, but she was having breadthwise less space. So what she did, she has taken six columns and two rows just because of the space, right? Because of the space, she planted in this way that she has taken two rows and the six columns, then also the 18. So the basic thing is to tell you behind this that suppose you The main thing is, suppose you have 18 objects or 20 objects or 16 objects, how you are going to arrange them, how you are going to place them in the different ways. Please find out the different ways of arranging this. Suppose you have 20 spoons, how you are going to arrange them in the row and column in the different ways. That is the reason I told you to bring the graph notebook today. You have to take the columns and take the rows and draw the spoons, or if you don't know how to draw the spoons, put a dots
Ma'am,
and
I
tell
have
me the different ways of arranging the
yes,
20
me,
spoons.
ma'am. 20.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain this again because you got stuck in my.
See, I was explaining, there are the different ways of arranging them. Suppose there were 18 flowers, and if you see in your textbook picture, the 18 flowers are arranged in the different ways, right? They have taken one row and 18 columns. One row means sleeping. Sleeping में तो one ही row है, but they have taken 18 columns to arrange the flowers. This way, there are many different ways. Suppose you go to theater. You go to theater, right?
Yes.
And if there are 40 people to sit in that theater, please arrange the 40 people in the theater in the rows and columns, how you are going to arrange the sitting arrangement. In the class also, when you are 30 students, teacher make you sit in the row and column? Yes or no?
Yes.
So how many rows and columns she will occupy to arrange the 30 students in the different ways? Different ways. So first of all, we discuss with the 20. Then we go to the another number. As I told you to arrange 20. Yes.
Ma'am, why you have put 20 and 16? You have to make 16.
20 spoons you have. Arrange them in the different ways in rows and columns. And tell me the different ways.
Ma'am, we have to draw in the notebook.
Is there any child who is ready to tell me any one way?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I say?
Raise your virtual hand. I don't have can I say option in my class. Raise your virtual hand. We'll give you a chance to speak. Yes, Asta. Asta, please speak.
In the row, there were 5 and in column, it were 8.
5 rows and I'm telling 20 spoons only, bacha, 20 spoons. I'm not telling 40. 40 बाद में करेंगे.
Ma'am, 5 rows.
Yes, Mohammed Momin.
Hello, ma'am. 10 column, 2 rows.
10 columns. So column you are aware?
Yes.
Can you draw these spoons in your graph notebook?
1 Ma'am.
10 columns and 2 rows कैसे दिखेगा?
Ma'am, can you show me again? I didn't understand.
This way the 10 columns. Dear, I am explaining this. Please pay attention here.
Okay, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 2 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 spoons will be arranged in this way. 2 rows and 10 columns. Columns are standing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns and 2 rows. This it will look like
one
this.
Column and one row. Ma'am, 1 column and 1 row.
1 column, no, 1 column and 1 row कैसे होगा? 1 column and 1 row में आपका arrange हो जाएंगे 20.
Ma'am, 5
Yes,
column and 4 row.
Ma'am, can I say?
I have brought the square line book. Square line.
हाँ,
Square
उसमें draw कर दो.
Okay. Ma'am, see.
Yes, Dhwani. How many rows and how many columns?
1 row and 1 column.
बेटा 1 रो एंड 1 कॉलम नहीं होगा. रो ऐसे जा रही है, कॉलम ऐसे आ रहा है.
मैम
1 रो और
Can I
1
show you?
कॉलम मैं लूंगी अगर, तो इट विल नॉट मेक.
Ma'am, 5 column and 4
मैम
rows.
can I show you how to
हाँ,
manage?
like Arav Apani
Ma'am.
is saying 5. Wait a minute, Pragyan. Yes, Arav Apani, can you show in your notebook?
Ma'am, can I say?
5 column and 4 row.
हाँ, तो 5 कॉलम और 4 रो को कैसे ऑक्यूपाई करोगे स्पेस को? कैन यू शो इन योर नोटबुक? यस प्रज्ञान, यू शो मी.
Ma'am, like this.
So like this, what you have taken? 1 2
Ma'am,
3 4. No, draw in the middle. बीच में स्क्वायर्स ले लो ना बच्चा. ये
Okay,
1
ma'am.
स्क्वायर जो है 1 सेंटीमीटर का, ऑक्यूपाई दैट कंप्लीट स्क्वायर.
Ma'am, at middle.
हाँ, in the middle.
Uh,
Yes, Pritika, can you show me?
Ma'am, there is 2 column and 2 rows.
कहाँ है ये 2 columns और 2 rows बच्चा? There's a many things I can see. 1 2 3. There are many rows you have made.
Then
No, not properly.
Then we have to make in this green line.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my?
Arav Apani is showing me. Yes, Arav Apani. Very good, bacha. So you have taken how many? 1 2 3 4. 4 what? 4 rows or 4 columns?
Ma'am, white can't be 1 column and 1 row.
Please pin Arav Apani, everyone. It cannot be 1 column and 1 row. When you take 1 column and 1 row, are you able to fit all the 20 in 1 column and 1 row? ध्वनि, ये कॉलम है, ये एक कॉलम है और एक रो है. Are you able to fill it in 20 in the 1 row and 1 column? ध्वनि, I'm asking from you. एक कॉलम लिया आपने और एक रो ली, उसमें फिट कर लोगे आप पूरे 20 स्पून? एक को एक बॉक्स चाहिए. क्लियर? प्लीज पिन Arav Apani, everyone is showing nicely. This way I want. Everyone pin Arav Apani. He has shown me that 4 rows he has taken and 5 columns. So 4 rows and 5 columns make 20. Please find another way. Okay, thank you, Arav. More ways. Children, I want more ways to arrange 20 into different rows and columns. Tell me fast. Am I visible?
Ma'am, say my
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, Astha, tell me. Very good. Astha is also showing very nicely. Astha, okay, bring it little closer. Astha, columns and how many rows?
10 columns, 2 rows.
Very good. Astha made 2 rows. Astha, it is not 2 rows. It is 2 columns.
Yes, ma'am.
10 rows.
Ma'am,
Rows are sleeping. So 10 rows, 2 columns makes the 20. Any other idea?
in mine it's coming 21.
नहीं आएगा बेटा, आपको अरेंज करना है 20 ही. Yes, Arush. 1 2 3 4 5 and this is same as Arav Apani. Arush, good. 4 and rows and 5 columns. Give me another way. Give me some another way of arranging these 20 spoons in different ways. Children, if 4 rows and 5 columns is 20, it can't be 5 rows and 4 columns also 20. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes,
students? Please respond भी. इसका उल्टा हो सकता है ना? 5 column और 4 rows भी ले सकते हैं हम. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, I am not able to see you all because of some network problem. You please respond me timely. Yes, Pritika. Pritika is showing. Pritika, you have arranged in which way? It is same as. No, I want the different ways. ये एक way हो गया. This is also the second way. I want different ways. एक माइंड में बात बिठाओ कि 20 किस किस की टेबल में आता है और कितने टाइम्स में आता है.
4.
Then you will able to find out. 4 5s are 20 is done. 5 4s are 20 is 5 4s is also 20.
2 table.
Yes.
Ma'am,
2 into 10 is also 20 and 10 into 2 is also 20.
Ma'am, 10 rows and
Got it? 10 rows 2 column is already done. Now you get 2 columns. इसका reverse बना सकते हो. 2 columns and
see my arrows. Ma'am, 2
10 rows and 10 columns. Yes, please show me. Which child?
Ma'am, Arush. Ma'am, here.
Yes, here. I will pin you. Yes, here. Show me.
Ma'am, see
Yeah, here your camera is off. Yes, Arush. Here. How many rows and columns?
Ma'am, 4, 5 rows and
Yeah, 5
4
rows.
columns.
Yeah, 5 rows and 4 columns.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, I have done that
Yes.
only.
Ma'am, I am.
Ma'am, I
have
also.
also done different. Ma'am, I
Only
have
one
also
is
done
not
different.
sufficient. You have to find out all the ways.
Ma'am, 10 rows. 10 rows
Ma'am,
and
10 rows, 2
I have
columns
done
is
like
done.
this.
2 rows,
Ma'am,
10
please,
columns
ma'am.
is done. Yes, Pragyan, show me. Yes, you can pin Pragyan is showing 2 rows
Ma'am, how can
and
we
10
call
columns.
this?
Yes, Dhwani.
What do we call this?
Dhwani ne to I don't know what she has done. Dhwani, sorry, what you are doing, I don't know. You just putting dot, dot, dot anywhere. Is there any child who is facing difficulty doing solving this? Any child? Vedi, are you clear? Yes, Vedi.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see? Ma'am, I am not clear on that.
See, children, there are different ways of arranging this. Any doubt to any child?
Can you see?
Wait a minute. Let me take the attendance. Vedi, let me pin you. Show me. Yes, this is 2 rows and 10 columns, and the upper one is 4 rows and 5 columns. Good. There are many different ways, beta. और भी हैं तरीके. I want you to explore. Dhwani, are you clear? Dhwani, that is the reason I am telling you to pin on to the other students. Arav Apani ने दिखाया, Arush ने दिखाया. Have you pinned them? अब आया कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है? Pin Arush Miani is also showing something. Pin that he is showing. How many rows and columns are there, Arush?
Ma'am, 5 rows and 5 columns.
5 rows and 4 columns. 5 rows and 5 columns will be 25. Ab, you know why I have told you to arrange in such a way? Because if you know about the rows and columns, आपके लिए multiplication easy हो जाएगा. Got it?
Ma'am.
Yes.
5 rows and 4 columns means in trending line there will be 5.
No. See, 4 columns will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये column, sorry. ये columns. Or this is rows. 1, 2, 3. ये sleeping will be rows. And standing will be columns. Suppose if I am telling equation is 2 rows and 10 columns. तो मैं इसको कैसे बनाऊंगी? 2 rows means sleeping will be 2. 1 and 2. and standing will be 10. 1, 2,
Ma'am, can I say
3,
something?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is columns. And this is 1 and 2 is row. So 1, 2
Can I
rows
say?
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जब 10, वेट अ मिनट प्रज्ञान, 10 आपने कॉलम ले लिए, 2 अपने रोज ले लिए. सो यू नाउ इट इज इजी फॉर यू टू राइट द इक्वेशन. अब इक्वेशन कैसे लिखनी है? 2 rows multiplication, this is the multiplication sign, and 10 columns, and when you multiply it you will get the answer. Now the first introduction I want to give you, the first number in the multiplication, the first number in the multiplication is called multiplicand. Multiplicand, CAND. And the second number is called multiplier. First number in the multiplication is called multiplicand, second is called the multiplier, and the answer is called the product. So here what I was doing, मैं क्या कर रही थी? I was telling you that 20 जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है वो आपको सेम लाना है, पर आपको मल्टीप्लिकेंड और मल्टीप्लायर को चेंजेस करने हैं. Some children told that 5 into 4 also 20, 4 into 5 also 20,
Ma'am,
2 into wait a minute, 2 into 10 also 20, 10 into 2 also 20. So these are the different ways of finding that same product. यही मेरा, this was the main basic concept to explain.
5
हाँ, tell me.
Ma'am.
Dhwani will speak, then Moin will speak, then Dheer will speak. Yes, Dhwani. Dhwani, turn on your camera. Your camera is off.
Ma'am, it's on only.
Now speak. Now speak.
Ma'am, 4 rows and 5 columns.
4 rows and 5 columns, 5 rows and 4 columns, 2 rows and 10 columns, 10 rows and 2 columns. Giving you the same product ना. तो आपने देखा कितने different ways से हमने same product निकाला. Yes or no? There is no, wait a minute, bacha, I am not saying that I will not listen to you. I will listen, wait. Pragyan, you will wait. Dheer, you will wait. Hare. There are many students who want to talk to me. Today, this is clear to you. Rows and columns concept. That when you, and where it will apply. कहाँ apply होता है? हाँ, अब प्रज्ञान आप बोल लो पहले. मोइन कुलेदी भी बोल लो, then I will speak. Because I can see many times you are saying, yes.
5 rows
5
and
rows
8 columns. 8
5
columns.
rows and 8 column will be, आप arrange करो and see that it is coming 20. 5 8 जा तो 40 होता है. It will not give you answer 20. Got it, Moin Kuledi? 5 rows and 8 columns are wrong. Yes, Pragyan.
I was saying that we can make like this also, only 20 rows.
Yeah, you can make one row, only 20 rows नहीं आएंगे. 20 rows होंगे, हाँ, you can make 20 rows, one column. Column एक ही रहेगा और नीचे standing में 20 rows हो जाएंगे. So 1 into 20 also 20 and 20 into 1 also 20 na?
God. Made only one row.
One row 20 columns. 1 row 20 columns. 20 row 1 column. Right? Yes, Dheer, now you speak. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Dhwani, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why in every table, FISA will come in FISA, there will come at back 0 or 5.
Because these are the multiples of 5. When any number is having 0 or 5 is multiplied by divisible by 5, it's a multiples of 5.
It is maybe it is the half number of the table. That's why.
No.
Ma'am,
Yes,
because
Ritika.
like
Hmm.
two fives are 10 and 20
Hmm.
is
हाँ, तो half हो जाएगा. Yeah, 2 5s are 10 and 2 10s are 20. It's just the double. There is also some pattern is following. And can I move to next child, Dhwani? Yes, Pritika. Any doubt, Pritika?
Yeah, ma'am, if we want to make 30,
हाँ, तो 30 के भी
so
करेंगे.
the
30 के भी different ways हैं.
has
हाँ.
so ma'am in 30 we can do like 5 rows and 6 columns.
हाँ.
Okay.
बट जब आप 5 rows 6 columns बोल रहे हो तो you should be clear what are rows and what are columns. जब आप draw करोगे it should be properly drawn. ऐसा नहीं है कि columns आपने 6 कर दिए, rows 5 कर दिए. When you are explaining me, you have to draw in that way, right? Suppose if I tell you there are 30 people in the theater, arrange them in the row and column. इनको बिठा दो seats पर. So you will say, ma'am, I make them sit in the 5 rows and 6 columns. It happened this way. That is the reason we are learning the concept of this row and column. That, see, suppose if you know about the row and column, for you the multiplication will be easy. जब आपने इस तरीके से डायग्रामेटिक वे में अरेंज कर दिया तो आपको काउंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि नंबर्स अगर बड़े आ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ बिग नंबर. सपोज देयर आर 100 पीपल्स, राइट? एंड 100 पीपल, आपने एक रो के सारे लोगों को काउंट कर दिया, कॉलम के सारे लोगों को काउंट कर दिया, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो टोटल आपका आंसर आ जाएगा.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
ओके. 10 rows 5 columns, सॉरी 10 rows 10 columns.
Ma'am, may I drink
आपने
water?
देख लिया 10 लोग रो में है, 10 और 10 लोग कॉलम में है. यस प्लीज. आपने सिर्फ एक साइड की रो काउंट कर दी, दूसरे साइड के कॉलम काउंट कर दिए, कि जो रोज पे बैठे हैं और जो कॉलम में बैठे हैं उनको काउंट कर दिया. तो 10 इस तरफ है, 10 इस तरफ है, और दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो टोटल आ जाएगा कि कितने लोगों ने कवर करा है स्पेस को. 10 into 10 is,
Then we can do
what is
like
10 tens are?
10 is 100.
So this is the reason we are learning this about the concept of row and column, to make our calculations easy. आपको एक एक बंदे के पास जाके आपको काउंट करने की. हिया, when I am explaining, can you give me 1 minute? You will not go to one by one to each child and explain them. This will save your time. You just count. Now in your screen, children, in your screen there are many people. Now one example, live example we will do. Right now on your screen there are many people there, but only count the row. How many children are there in the row? How many children are there in the column? Count them, multiply them, and find the answer.
Ma'am, 3.
9.
3 what? 3 bache?
Ma'am,
No,
3 rows. 3
Dhwani will only do. Dhwani, Pritika, wait. Dhwani will only do because she is not understanding the concept today in the class. Yes, Dhwani, tell me how many in the row?
uh,
How many in the row?
ma'am,
On
1.
your screen, how many are showing in the row?
Ma'am, in 2 rows there are.
I'm not telling you to count all. I'm not telling you to count everyone. I'm telling you how many children are there in the row.
3.
Row mein? 3. And how many are in the column?
6.
6. So
Ma'am, in
3
one
into
it
6
is
is what?
4.
3 into
80.
6 is what? एक ठीक है, अब काउंट करो. 1 is already removed. Now count. Dheer Kinsara coming and going, coming and going.
Ma'am,
Suppose आपने जो imagine करके count. Dheer, now wait, let me speak. Suppose Dhwani, you have counted 3 in the rows and 6 in the column. Now you find the answer, Dhwani.
It is 18, but one is missing. Two are missing
अब
in
रो
the
रहने दो. Suppose आपने हम example कर रहे हैं. आ रहा है जा रहा है रहने दो एक. One is coming and one is going. Suppose you have counted 3 in the rows and 6 in the columns. What will be the answer?
18.
I'm doing the example
ma'am 18.
with you, Dhwani.
18. 18.
18. तो आपको एक एक बच्चा काउंट करने की जरूरत पड़ी?
No, ma'am.
ध्वनि, आपको एक काउंट करने की जरूरत पड़ी? Is there any need to count each and every child?
No.
Dhwani, turn on your camera. I am tired today, students. The camera is going off and on, off and on.
Ma'am, all on. My camera is on.
Ma'am, your camera is blurred.
Okay. Because my dear, there is a network problem today. You can able to listen me because I am not writing anything right now.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you all clear कि हमें we are not able, if we don't want to count everyone and we want to save our time, if we want to count them in the rows and columns, we will get the answer. Yes. Suppose, for example, many ये चीजें this will help you in everywhere, right? When you go in trains, when you go in malls, when you there is a sitting arrangement, when you go in any of the theaters, when you go in movie theaters or any program theaters where there is a sitting arrangement, if you don't want to waste your much time and don't want to count each and every person or single person, just count how many are in the row and count how many are in the column. You will exactly get the answer. Am I clear with you all? पर रो और कॉलम का कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. स्लीपिंग रो, स्टैंडिंग कॉलम्स. क्लियर? Clear, students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm giving you some more example based on row and column. Suppose 4 rows, 6 columns. How many persons are there total?
20.
How many persons are there? 4 rows.
24. 24. 24.
24. And 9 rows, 2 columns.
18. 18.
18.
So 9 into 2 is 18. So आपने equation बनाना सीख लिया. You know the first number is?
9.
9. 9.
No. First, what the name of the first number?
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. Multiplicand. What is the second number called? Multiplier. Multiplier. And what is the answer called? Product. Okay. And now I want to tell you some facts or the properties about the multiplication. Suppose I'm telling you 36 multiplied by 1 or any number multiplied by 1 give you what? What will be the answer? What will be the product? The same number will be the 36 will be the product. Means in multiplication, when any number multiplied by 1, the answer will be the same number.
Same number.
72 multiplied by 1. What will be the answer?
72.
72. 84 multiplied by 1. What will be the answer?
84.
So this is the one property that any number multiplied by 1 give you the same answer.
Answer.
Now, multiplication property of 0. Any number 7 multiplied by 0 will give you the answer.
Zero.
Zero.
Any number multiplied by 0, what will be the answer?
Zero.
0. It is always compulsory that any number multiplied by 0 will be the
Zero.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you are stuck and your voice is also not coming.
student. 0. 39 multiplied by 0 will be the
Zero.
Zero.
0. So two properties you have to keep it in mind. Two properties I will speak. Listen. Two properties you have to keep in mind. One is the multiplication property of 1, which is any number multiplied by 1 is always what?
Same number. Remains the same.
The
Same number. And any number multiplied by 0 will be
Zero. Will remain
Zero.
zero. I am on.
Yeah. And suppose now I'm giving you 28 multiply by 200. So without doing long method of multiplication, what you will do, you have to multiply 28 with the 2 first and add the zeros at the back.
228.
So 228. 28 multiplied by 2. Number 2 into 8 is
2028.
first of all 2 8 how it is 2028 bacha. 28 multiplied by 2 do 2 into 8 is 16. 2 2s are 415 and add the 2 zeros at the back. Multiply the number with the number and then add the zeros at the back. Clear? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm telling you 600 multiply by 4. So 6 multiply by 4. What is 6 fours are?
6 4s are
24.
24. And add the 2 zeros of 600 at the back. The answer will be 2400.
2400.
9 multiply by 900. What will be that answer?
8100.
8100.
8100.
Clear? Will you able to solve this multiplication?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, students, for today's class. We'll send you the worksheet based on the concept which we have done.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Have a
bye.
nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.